Hello everyone, this is Dr. MiteshGala. Welcome to Rough Book, a learning companion.
Hi, we're getting into trigonometrical identities, the last segment, exercise 21E part 2, and exercise D also we'll try and finish today. So with that your trigonometry should get over. So part E, part 2 is only sum number 10, all the subparts. The rest of all the sums, that is 1 all subparts, 10 all subparts are there. Rest of the sums you can ignore, they are not expected to come in this exam, they are not in the scope, so don't worry. So let us all begin 10 part 1. We already know all the square ratios, reciprocal ratios. So let's hit it. We've done a similar sum. One part 1 in the same exercise is exactly similar to this with slightly different parts over here, but the methodology is the same. So begin with the LHS. Take the LCM and start working on it. 100% you will manage. Come on. Pause your video and try it. So sin A plus cos A minus sin A and minus plus cos A upon A minus B, A plus B, so A square minus B square. Further, this gets cancelled, so what I get is 2 cos A upon, I need sine, I don't need cos, so let's change this. So I will get sine square A minus 1 minus sine square A. Yeah, write the reason. Sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So I get 2 cos A upon sine square A minus 1 minus plus sine square A. So what will happen? 2 cos A, sine square will become 2 sine square A minus 1. Did that match? Yes, it did. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. How many people managed to get the same answer? Perfect. That's good. Thank you. Keep it up. I'm sure you're building your confidence with all these sums. Come on, try the third one. Obviously, you can begin with RHS and then try and reach over here, probably using some techniques. So sec is 1 upon cos minus sin A upon cos A. So LCM denominator is same. So 1 minus sin A upon cos A. If I look at my RHS, this is the RHS we started with. If I look at my LHS, I don't need this. I need exactly reverse of this. I need 1 plus sin A. So that gives me the clue that I need to rationalize the numerator with 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. So when I do this in the denominator, automatically I will get 1 plus sin A, and this cos A we'll see what can be done. So can you take the numerator first? A minus B, A plus B, so A square minus B square upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. 1 minus sin square can be written as cos square upon cos A 1 plus sin A. Further, 1 cos A gets cancelled, so what is left is only cos A upon 1 plus sin A. Is that what we needed? Yes. And therefore we can say LHS is equal to RHS. How many cheaters are there who still want to copy everything from here? Very bad, huh, guys? You should try on your own. No problem. Even if you go halfway on your own, no problem at all. But try it, at least you will know how to tackle these sums. Come on, next, fifth one. You have a choice either to start from LHS or from RHS. I think you'll have to take LHS, reach to a particular point, then take RHS, again particular point, and then say both are equal. Mostly it should be like that. I'm not really sure. So first taking the LHS, converting everything into sin cos. So sin A minus cos A in one bracket. 1 plus tan is sin A upon cos A, and cot is cos A upon sin A. I'm sure at least this much you can manage. You get 1 mark just for converting tan into sin cos. Yeah, so remember that, at least do that much. So sin A minus cos A. Taking the LCM, so my LCM in this case is going to be cos A into sin A. Okay, so here for 1 I will get cos A into sin A plus this cos A cancels, so sin A into sin A, so that becomes sin square A. Sin A gets cancelled, so cos A into cos A, I will get cos square A in another bracket. So if you notice now, you can convert the sin square cos square as 1, but don't do that. Why? If you notice this entire numerator, it is A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. Any bell in your head? Anybody? Okay. Yes, it is nothing else but the formula for a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, isn't it? See, that was a formula which we couldn't recognize. Most of the time people take this one and they do lots of other stuff and then they get confused. So you reach here, leave it. Okay, and now try with the RHS and reach over here. So RHS, sec can be written as 1 upon cos divided by cosec is 1 upon sine square in one bracket minus cosec is 1 upon sine divided by sec. Okay, this should be multiplied or is it divided by? One second. Sec is 1 upon cos divided by this is 1 upon sine square. Perfect. Likewise, cosec is 1 upon sine A divided by sec. Sec is 1 upon cos, but square. Get rid of this multiplication. So this will go on top and I will get sine square upon cos A minus this again will go up. So I will get cos square upon sine A. I take the LCM as cos A sine A. So cos A into sine A. Cos A cancels, sine A into sine square will give me sine cube. Sine A cancels, cos A into cos square will give me cos cube. Did that match? See this part and this part, and therefore we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Isn't it a very interesting question? Yeah? Don't you think so? Perfect. Sorry, my phone rang. Isn't it a very interesting question? Yeah, did you enjoy it? Great. Let's go ahead with the next one. Try sum number 6. Come on, hit it. Sixth one says sec square plus cosec square is equal to tan A plus cot A. How are you going to tackle this? Obviously, you're beginning with the LHS, converting this into sine cos, and then the root will get cancelled with the square probably. So try it, see how far can you take this. So LHS, sec 1 upon cos. If you don't know, at least convert this much. Cosec 1 upon sine under the root. LCM, so it will be sine square plus cos square upon cos square into sine square. Everything under the root. Sine square plus cos square will be 1 upon cos square into sine square. Under the root. Root and squares will get cancelled, so I'll get 1 upon cos A into sine A. I think you can leave this here. Try with the RHS and try and reach at the same point and then say that both are equal. So let's try the RHS. Oh, cheaters, come on, stop. Try on your own, stop laughing. Tan sine A upon cos A and cot cos A upon sine A. Perfect. So LCM, sine square plus cos square upon cos A into sine A. You know sine square plus cos square is 1, cos A into sine A. There you go. Did it match? Yes, it did. So therefore you can say LHS equals RHS. How many could tackle this on their own? Don't you think now you are getting too confident about this chapter? Very good. Keep it up. If you are really confident, you're the one to break your confidence. Try it. Sum number 8. Hit it. 10 part 8. So LHS, convert everything into sine cos. And if you get this sum, I will be impressed. Please let me know that in the comment section. So tan is sine A upon cos A. Cot is cos A upon sine A in one bracket. Likewise 1 upon sine A minus sine A, another bracket. Likewise 1 upon cos A minus cos A in the third bracket. You have to convert everything as 1. So LCM here I will get sine square A plus cos square A upon cos A into sine A. Another bracket, 1 minus sine square upon sine A. And the last bracket, 1 minus cos square upon cos A. Yeah, how many reached here? Yeah, if you're asking, if you're with me right now and listening to this, how many reached here? That means you've not paused. See, I caught you. Come on, go ahead. Sine square plus cos square will be 1 upon cos A into sine A. 1 minus sine square is cos square, superb, upon sine A. And 1 minus cos square is sine square upon cos A. Reason will be sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Cos A, cos A, cos square, sin A, sin A, sin square. Everything cancels, so 1, and therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Am I going fast? Slow. You're faster than me and you got this sum. Brilliant. I am happy for you. Come on, go ahead. Ninth one, the real confidence breaker. Let's see who can tackle this. You got this equal to this equal to this. So 3 parts you have to prove them equal. So basically we'll say part 1, part 2, part 3. We can't say LHS, RHS anymore. Okay. Now how are you going to tackle this? So getting this and this is simple. Can anyone find out why? So I'm taking part 1 and I say cot square A minus cot square B. Cot and cosec, some connect, isn't it? Yes. Cot is what? Cosec is 1 plus cot. So cot is cosec minus 1. So write cot as cosec square A minus 1, and this also cosec square B minus 1. So open the bracket, I will get cosec square A minus 1 minus cosec square B plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 goes, and what I get is cosec square A minus cosec square B in a bracket. Did this match with this? Yes. So at least part 1 equals part 3. Now the only problem is to connect with part 2. So you can pick up part 2 now, okay, solve it and connect it to part 3. So automatically all 3 will be connected. So part 2 is the same thing. Let's pull it up. Convert this into sine cos and then try and reach over here. So cosec. What can I write for cosec? 1 upon sine. 1 upon cos or sine? Sine. 1 upon sine again. Okay. What can I do next? The LCM. So I'll get sine square B minus sine square A upon sine square A into sine square B. So I at least managed to get the denominator. Numerator, they don't want sine. What they want is cos. So you know what to do. So just convert this sine as 1 minus cos square in one bracket minus 1 minus cos square another bracket upon sin A into sin B, both squares. Okay. Finally opening 1 minus cos square B minus 1 plus cos square A upon sin square A into sin square B. So this plus minus goes. Cos square I will write first because it is possible. It's positive. Minus cos square B upon sin square A into sin square B. Is this same as the second part? Yes. So therefore I can say this is part 3 we picked up. Sorry. So therefore I will say part 1 equals to part 2 equals to part 3. See, here we proved that 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 3, and then 3 is equal to 2. So all 3 parts are equal to each other. Isn't it a good question? Yes, it is. Even if you say no, it is. You have no choice. Come on, do it now. Stop laughing. Sum number 10, go about it. This is again a good question, not that simple. Yeah. So you'll have to really think. So start with the LHS. When you start, convert this sec as 1 plus tan square ratio. So it connects with this. And convert this cot as 1 upon tan. That will help you to probably easy this question. So 1 upon tan A minus 1 in one bracket divided by 2 minus 1 plus tan square. Now take this forward. It should help you to reach somewhere here. Come on, try it. Even if you get stuck, no problem. Come back, I will help you. But try at least, okay? So 1 minus tan A upon tan A divided by 2 minus 1 minus tan square in another bracket. So I get 1 minus tan A upon tan A multiplied by 2 minus 1 is 1, and this will come down. So upon 1 minus tan square A. What do I do now? Yes, this one will become A plus B, A minus B, and it will get cancelled with this one. So putting this in bracket, tan A into 1 upon 1 plus tan A, 1 minus tan A. So what happens is this 1 minus tan A gets cancelled, and then 1 upon tan A multiplied by, this is 1 upon tan A, 1 upon 1 plus tan A. What is 1 upon tan A? I purposely did not merge these two together. I first thought by making this line larger, but then I stopped, because 1 upon tan A is what? Cot A upon this, that is 1 plus tan A. There you go. That is why I didn't do it, because I knew how to go about it, and therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Are you with me? Did you enjoy this? Okay, don't look at the homework. Exercise D is still left. So let's finish D first, and then we'll come back at the homework. Immediately you all want to go ahead. Hardly 17 minutes we are on the video yet, and you want to go away, huh? Bad. Okay, exercise 21D. Here they are asking you to find the value using the tables behind. So if you look into your textbook, okay, behind you will see table like this: natural sines, natural cosines, and natural tangents. Tangents is tan. Okay, so right now natural sines. So if they tell you sine 21, how are you going to read it? Okay, so here you have all the sine ka values. Okay, on the next page also they are there till 90. All right, and then these are minutes. So you say degrees and minutes. Alright, in minutes you have all minutes of 6, 0, 6, 12, 18. So if they tell you 21 degrees, you directly go to 21 degrees and take the 0 minute, that is 0.3584. So you will add 0.3584 and leave it. This is for sine. Okay, next one is sine 34 degrees, 42 minutes. So go to 34 degrees, but look at 42 minutes, and whichever value corresponds to both of them, that is your answer now. So in this case 0.5693. So you will add 0.5693. They have written over here only 5693. See, 34, 42, 5693. But that point is assumed because in the start only point is there. So you will add 0 point. Don't forget that. Okay. And now this last column, mean difference. So if they tell you 34 degrees, 43 minutes. You don't have 43 over here. You have till 42, then you have 48. But 42 and 43 difference is 1. So you take 42 ka value, okay, and then go for difference. This is mean difference 1, because 42 you're looking out for, that is 2 over here. Add this 2 to this, so it will become 5695. Exactly, that's what is your third part. They tell you to find out 62 degrees 57 minutes. So go for 62 degrees first. So there we go, 62 degrees. Yeah, and then they want 57 minutes. So 57, the closest is 54, difference is 3. So go for mean difference 3, which is 4, and add 4 to this. So let me just confirm, 62 degrees, 54 plus 4. So 8906. So 0.8906. Did you get it, everybody? How to read this? Yeah. In sine, you have to add the mean difference. But if it is cos, then the mean difference value you have to subtract. See, it's written here, number in difference column to be subtracted and not added. In the exam in your school, you will be given a red color logbook. In the logbook, you will have all these values and you can use them and get your answer. Before we get into the last one, you have to add these two. Okay, so how are you going to add? 0 plus 5, 5. Now these are minutes. So if it goes to 60 minutes se zyada, then it becomes 1 hour. Alright, so 5. 4 plus 2, 6. That means 65 minutes. So you write 0.5 minutes and carry over 1 and add that 1 to this. So 0 plus 1, that will be 1, and 2 and 1, 3. So 31 degrees and 0.5 minutes. Do you understand now? Because if it is more than 60, you write only 0.5 and add 1 here. Don't forget that. So now you are trying to find sine 31 degrees, 0.5 minutes. So going back to sine 31 degrees and 0.5, 5 is not there, so you will take 0 and take mean difference 5, which is 12. So it will be 5162. So you will add 0.5162. Exactly same. Come on, cos, find out for cos. Only mean difference you have to subtract, don't forget that. 2 degrees, 4 minutes. Finish all this, come back and then check. Don't start right now copying from here. So 2 degrees and 4 minutes. So 4 minutes I don't have. So I'll have to take mean difference 4, which is 1, and add, subtract, not add. So 9993, 0.9993. Did you match with this? If you match, means you're copying it. Come on, pause, finish everything, then come back. 2632. So 26 degrees, and for 32 minutes I'll go for 30 and take 2 minutes, mean difference, which is 3, and subtract. 2632 once again. 26 and 30. Mean difference 2 is 3, so I'll subtract to 8946. So 0.8946. In case if my answer goes wrong, don't bother. You know the technique now, hit it. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 2 7. 7 means 60 and this is 77 now. So the difference is 17. So write here 17 minutes and that 1 hour added to the previous one. So 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carried, so 25. So it will be 25 degrees, 17 minutes. Once again, 4 plus 3 7, 5 plus 2 7. So 77 minutes. We have to only work up to 60 minutes. So 17 minutes extra you write here and this becomes 1 hour. So 77 is technically broken into 1 hour and 17 minutes. So 17 minutes you write here, 1 hour you add to this. So 15 plus 9 24 plus 1 25. Now look out for 25 degrees, 17 minutes. So 25 degrees is here and 17 is not there, so I'll take 12. 12 is 9048. 17 and 12, the difference is 5. So I'll go for 5 ka mean difference, which is 6, and subtract. So 9042. So my answer should be 0.9042. Are you getting it now? Brilliant. Let's go with the tan. For tan, you don't have to subtract, you have to add the mean difference just like sine. So here your tan table. So tan 37. So let's look at tan 37. 7536. So 0.7536. Tan 42 18. So 42 18. 9099, is it? 18, yeah, 9099. So 0.9099. And last one in tan 1727. So go for 17. 27 is in there, so go for 24. Okay. And then 24 and 27 difference is 3, so go for 3, which is 10, and add it. So 0.3144. Got it? Easy. Now go for the reverse way. Values are given, find the degrees. So in sine, you'll have to go and search where is 4848, and they are all in ascending order, so it is going to keep on growing. So 48 I can see here, 4848, 29 and 0 only. So no need to write 0 degrees, just write 0 minutes, just write 29 degrees and degrees. How will you present? So sine theta is this, but sine 29 is this, therefore theta is 29. Your target is to find the theta. Got it? Likewise, get me the second one, 6525. Come on, pause. On your own, find the answer. 6525. So 65, I can see the series here, 2 1 and then 3 4. So 2 1 plus 4 I will have to add. So this is 40 degrees, 42 minutes plus 2. So that will be 44 minutes. So 40 degrees, 44 minutes. 40 degrees, 44 minutes. Are you getting it? Yeah, this is slightly technical, so you will have to. Why are we doing this? Because in trigonometry it's not going to help you, but it is going to help you largely in your next chapter, heights and distance. Therefore we are learning this right now. This is not connected to trigonometry directly, therefore I picked this exercise right at the end, right? I didn't pick it up before. Next, get me for cos 9848. So go to the cos table, don't look for sine now, okay? 9848. So 9848 goes on the next page. 9848, where is it? Let's check. No, it's on the first page only. This is in descending order. This is decreasing the cos, okay? So 9848. I can see here 98. Can I see 48? Anything closer to that? Okay, I'll have to search. 4947 I can see. So go for 49. Now you have to go for extra and then subtract 1. So this is 48 and mean difference 2. So 48 plus 2, 50. For 5 degrees, 50 minutes. 5 degree, 50 minutes. Yeah. What did we do over here? We went for the closest. So in 5 degrees, we found the closest was 9851 we found, I think, right? Or something like that. 48 we went for. 49 we got, and we wanted 48, so we subtracted 1. So you had to subtract in this case, don't forget that. Yeah. Let's go with the next one. Cos 6848. Okay. So 6848, let's search where is 6848. So anything close to that is on the next page. So let's search it. 6848. Where is it? So 68 I can see here, and 48. Where is 4848? 43 I can see. So I'll have to go for more because this is cos. Okay. So 5 6 I can see. I'll have to subtract 12. I can see only 11 years, so you can take the closest then, because accurate you're not getting, so that is 5. So 35 minutes and 47 degrees. So 47 degrees and 35 minutes. That should be your answer. Let's do the last two. For tan 2419. So go to tan 2419 is what we will search. So where is 2419? I can see here 2419. Accurate answer 13 degrees 36 minutes. So 13 degrees 36 minutes. Likewise, can you get me the last one? 7391. Come on, hit it. So 7391 is somewhere here. 73, I can see 7373, and then see directly 7400. 7373 and 7391. So the difference is 21. Is it? 7373 and I want 7391, not 21. Wait. The difference is going to be 18. So do I have 18 here? Yes, that is mean difference 4. So add 4 to this. 24 plus 4, 28. 36 degrees 28 minutes. 36 degrees 28 minutes. So slightly technical. You'll have to look at the video again in case if you've not followed. Your homework right here. Exercise 21E, 10 part 2, 4 and 7. Please do these sums again. Not again, these are new sums, so you get some practice on it.
Hope you had a lovely mathematics experience with the Rough Book, our learning companion.